Welcome to Awesome Code. Please subscribe to my channel and like my video. In this video, we will learn how to know the properties and methods of an object in Python. We can use the directory function. We are going to check for the properties and method of a string object. We can also use a directory to check the properties and methods of module. So for now, we are going to check the methods and properties for string. So this is our string one, and it has hello world, and we are gonna do print dir, and we are going to pass in a string one, and now we can run it. And here are strings properties and its functions such as split, rsplit, and so on. To keep on learning, please subscribe to my channel Awesome Code, like my video, keep supporting me, and thank you for watching.